everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this cute galaxy kawaii charm using UV resin, glitter and gold embellishments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's get started. First, we are going to put the charm on some sticky tape. Then we're going to pour some UV resin onto a silicone mat and mix in some blue resin. Next, start adding the blue resin towards the bottom of the charm and create a moon shape about 1/4 of the way up in the charm. Then we're going to add some clear UV resin in the remaining area of the charm. Once you have spread out the resin, put it under the UV lamp to let it cure. Once it has cured, we are going to add another layer of UV resin. And then we are going to add in some white chunky glitter on top of the blue section and a gold planet embellishment in the clear section. Once that's done, put it under the UV light to cure. Now we're going to add on another layer of clear UV resin. And then we're going to add some purple star-shaped glitters and some chunky blue glitter to the bottom section, as well as some tiny white glitter to the clear section around the planet. After that, put it under the light to let it cure. Once it's done curing, let's add another layer of clear UV resin. Then we're going to add a few gold star embellishments towards the bottom of the charm. And a bit more white glitter at the top around the planet. Once finished, let's put it under that UV light again to cure. Then we'll add one more layer of clear UV resin to get that dome effect and put it under the light to cure. For extra detail, put some UV resin at the back of this shooting star, stick it towards the bottom at the right and then let it cure. After it's cured, remove the sticky tape. And there you have it! All done! Hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Please let me know in the comments section what other resin crafts I should make. See you next time. Bye!